out the bankroll I spent. 7 years later and I got the same friends. Bankroll out the bankroll I spent. 7 years later and
Alright, what's up guys, and this is DJ again, and I'm back, and we're basically going to be doing a car show for this video. So, alright, this is my car. The theme is a BMW, so this is a this is a BMW, this is mine, too, it's mine. This is Briggs. This is Briggs' car. This one looks pretty good. This is just a sprint car, but it was a BMW, so I brought it here. And this is Jay Woody's car, red, my favorite color, black, and it's matte, so that's my favorite colors combined. And he got a crew emblem on there, so that's pretty hot. And this right here is Mesa's car. He had a BMW, but he never had enough money to call it in because he had blown it up, so it's pretty good. And I love Nissan GTR, so my favorite. What's this up? Lego. Alright, who's first? Who's gonna be showcasing their cars first? Huh? Alright. Alright, Mason, where are you going? Put your car back over there. We're not done yet. Alright, open your doors, please. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, he knows how to do it. He did it with his BMW. Alright. Let's see. Oh, nice and shiny. He got it's a good interior, basically. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. This is Savage. He's not participating, but we all know Savage. He's a savage, so he's not participating. There you go. Who's the next car? Yeah, park it right over there in the sun. Jay Woody, move your car into the sun. Jay Woody, put your car in the sun. Yeah, when we showcase it. Alright, leave it right there. Just leave it right there. Open the doors. Perfect. Uh-huh. Oh. Yes. You can even look it up on Google. Got that. Ooh. What's this up? Shiny. Yeah. Perfectly red. The trunks have a lot of room where you can put your guns in it. If you could do that in GTA, that would be beast. Alright, let's go. We can skip this car. Oh. This is a street car. I don't know. I think he went to go get his BMW. Alright, open them doors, buddy. Ooh, purple. It's like a purple with a pearlescent blue. That looks beast. Nice trunk space. Exhaust pipes. Oh, I like those rims, by the way. Those are my favorite rims. Those are on my Spectre too. I like the way the front of this car looks. Savage. 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 What are you doing? Alright, let's go with my car. Let's go with my car before everything ends wrong. Alright, Briggs, you wanna move your car? Alright, alright, there we go. Mine is a pearlescent green, by the way. Guys, if you look at my car, it's a pearlescent green. It shines a pearlescent green. Yeah, come over here. You don't see it like glowing green. It's a glitch. It's a modded color. I got bucket seats. Yeah, well, I chose those because a BMW usually is white, and then it has like that white and blue sign on it for the BMW sign. So I had that. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go drag race. And tune in for part 2 because we're gonna be drag racing in the part 2. So go ahead and after this video, watch part 2. I'm gonna be uploading it right now. So guys, like and subscribe and catch me back.
I got the same friends.